There's a trend going viral right now. Paper cutout documentary animation, crime stories, history, disasters, and it's pulling in insane views across the board. Most creators think this needs expensive software and real editing skill. It doesn't. The entire thing runs on automation. Here's proof before we touch the setup.
March 8th, 2014. Kuala Lumpur International Airport. Malaysia Airlines Flight 370 lifts off for Beijing, carrying 239 people.
That clip, script, visuals, animation, voice, all generated through one automated pipeline. Free tools only. I'll hand you the exact prompt at the end of this video. Let's build it. First, a chatbot. DeepSeek, free. Claude free, my personal pick. We're using ChatGPT today, still the strongest all-rounder for this. Open it. Now you need the master prompt. I built this over multiple drafts, so every line does a job. Copy the first section, paste it into your chatbot, let it process, then click Send. It'll ask for source material next. Scroll down in the same document, find the section labeled Engine Prompt. That opens a Drive file, roughly 8 pages covering the whole workflow. Download it, drag it into your chatbot, send. Now the bot knows the full system. It'll ask you to pick a category: crime, history, money and power, disaster, unexplained mysteries, tech, sports. Type your own niche if none of these fit. I'm picking crime and documentary. 10 video ideas drop instantly. I'm choosing the missing flight story from 2014. Type the number, send. Next, how long? Presets go from 30 seconds to 5 minutes, but you can type a custom number too. 10 minutes, 40 minutes, a full hour if that's your niche. This is a demo, so I'm keeping it at 30 seconds. Send it. The system pulls news, forums, video sources, cross-checks everything so the story holds up. Once research finishes, it writes the full voiceover script. Leave that for now. We're building visuals first. Voice comes later, and I'll show you 2 free tools for that. Type Proceed. The bot breaks the script into visual beats, individual scenes it needs to generate. My run produced 14 beats. That's 14 images, 14 animations, 1 pipeline. Type Next. It writes image prompts for every beat, then bundles all 14 into a single text file. Copy everything at once. Next tool, Google Flow. New project, agent mode on. 50 free credits daily, resetting every 24 hours. That's your entire image and animation budget. In settings, image ratio 16:9, output 1x, model nano banana. Video settings, same ratio, OmniFlash is the model. Save it. Click Agent Instructions. Go back to the master document, find the second prompt called the multi-image prompt, copy it exactly, paste it into that instruction box. Done. Now copy all 14 image prompts again. Yes, again, Flow needed the multi-image instructions saved first. Paste all 14 into the main prompt box. Send. Agent mode reads everything, then generates on its own. You don't touch a single prompt individually. It just runs. And that's the full set. 14 clean frames, torn paper textures, taped photographs, maps, bold type stacked in layers, that exact look from typed instructions, not a design tool. Now we animate them. Agent mode off, switch to video mode. Same 16:9 ratio, 1x output, but set duration to 6 seconds, not 10. 6 because free credits are limited, and shorter clips stretch that budget across every scene. Type Next for the video prompt. It generates one universal animation prompt that works across every image, but the default targets 10-second clips, so we fix that. Find the prompt called Timing in the master document, paste it into ChatGPT, send. That rewrites the universal prompt for 6-second output. Back in Flow, drag image 1 into the timeline, paste the animation prompt, send. Preview it first, confirm the motion works. Watch that. Elements slide in, pin drops, tape locks it down. That's the exact motion language of the style from one pasted prompt. Repeat for every image, same prompt, same click until all 14 are animated. Skipping ahead to the last one. Every image is a moving scene. Preview them together. They flow into each other clean, like one continuous camera move. Download every clip in order. Pro accounts get 1080p, free accounts get 720p, upscale later, no quality lost. Back to ChatGPT, copy the voiceover script generated earlier. 2 free voice options. Noise AI, around 2,000 free credits daily, or 11 Labs, the one I'm using. Pick the V3 model. It takes performance tags: fast, slow, excited, calm, whisper. I'm using whisper for that quiet, mysterious documentary tone. Paste the script, generate, pick the take that fits best, download it. 14 animated clips, 1 finished voiceover, $0 spent. Last step, CapCut. New project, import every clip, the voiceover, any extra audio, all in one folder. Drag the voiceover onto the timeline first, build the visuals around it next. This entire pipeline, research, script, 14 animated scenes, professional voice, built without opening your wallet once. The only thing separating you from your first video in this style isn't budget. It's whether you open these tools tonight or scroll past and forget by tomorrow. I'm giving away the exact master prompt free. Links below this video. Go build your first one.